In this lesson, we'll be exploring conditional statements. When writing code, we often want an action to occur based on an event or condition. In PHP, we have different types of conditional statements, including if statements, if-else statements, if-else and else-if statements, and switch statements. We'll start with an example of a basic if statement. Here we have a variable x set to the value of 49. We've created an if statement with one condition. If the value of x is less than 50, we want to output the words condition met. Since 49 is less than 50, we can see in our web browser that the words were outputted. Condition met. Now, what would happen if the condition was not met? Let's say we set x to 51. In this case, 51 is not less than 50. So there's no output in our web browser. There's no output because we have not instructed our script on how to handle this situation. To do so, we can add an else statement. Let's create an else statement that outputs the words condition not met if x is not less than 50. So let's recap what we've done here. If x is less than 50, output condition met. If x is anything else, and there can only be one other thing, that x is greater than 50, output condition not met. So we can see in our web browser that it now outputs condition not met because x is not less than 50. You can change the value of x to test different results.